saw this and I wanted to show it to you. Is this product called Freewrite. And basically, they make like portable typewriters for 2025. Part of the brand is around being distraction free. So something that you can have on the go. It's not your computer, and they look cool.
That's it. I want it right now. I want this in my life. This is all the things. I don't know if I want to strap. I don't know if I want to like strap it, but
Yeah,
I love everything about this. I'm a huge journaler. I love creative writing. This is something I would take to a coffee shop in a heartbeat. Give it to me.
yeah,
I
yeah. I
want
think
it.